In this short video, I am going to give you a quick overview of how to annotate PDFs in the Kami online PDF reader. So we're going to start here at the school website and open the folder with the learning activities. I'm going to click on the one that I would like to annotate on, and in the top right hand corner here I'm going to choose the option to download the file, because currently these files are view only. If you download it, you can have a copy of your own to edit and annotate as you want. So click download and save the file where you would like it to be saved on your computer. Once the file has been downloaded, we're going to come back to our Google Drive and click on New and File Upload, and we're going to upload that file that we just downloaded into our Google Drive. When that file has uploaded, we can click on it to open it, and we're going to come up here to the menu that says Open With, and then we're going to choose Connect More Apps. Here we can search for the Kami PDF Reader, and we're going to click Connect. Now you will see at the top of the page you can open with Annotate with Kami, and clicking that button will open a new window where you will be prompted to authorize Google Drive to be accessed by Kami. Once your PDF loads, you will see a number of tools here that you can use to annotate and mark up this document. Over here on the left you can see some markup tools like a text highlighter, where you can highlight text and have it highlighted in the color of your choice. You've also got a box highlighter that can be used to drag a box over a section of text and highlight that. You've got a strike through tool that can be used to select text and strike through with a color. You can also underline text here too with the highlighter. We've got some other options here too, like a text box here that you can choose to just add some text. Underneath that there's a drawing tool where you can select color, select a pen width, and you can make freehand drawings on the page too. Everything you do on the document is automatically saved back to your Google Drive the next time that you want to come and access this. And that's how you make some quick PDF annotations with Kami.